Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Lucky Gamer here, and I changed my name to Creamy Cheese Whitey. Sorry for that name, and so funny, I know. But um, but I'm gonna record, so hope you guys enjoy my new name, and I'm gonna do an update because I'm grounded. I'm sorry if I'm grounded. I'm grounded because I broke my brother's computer. I don't know why I broke it. Because I suck. I know. So, yeah. It's good to subscribe. Of course. It's she is Warzone. Sorry about that. That's my sister. I don't know what's wrong with her. But, okay. Let's play. Not good at the expert actually. I didn't know how to play. Just watch my dying montage. I'm not gonna post for think 1 month. Don't know why. If I'm at the owner, I think I'm not grounded. Yeah, I think I'm gonna post in August. Sorry for that update, guys. I know it's a bad news, so sorry. Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry for that loud noise actually at the outside. It's my grandmother. It's my grandmother. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Let's play. Sorry about that. I hope the creamy cheese whitey it's good for you cause I'm at the school Luna Luna Crest Luna Crest and Rich Omiten that's their username in YouTube. We're talking about YouTube, and Wungra is so addict at computer games, and he's recording too. His name is Wungra, and I think this name. And after that, I told my classmate, I mean, Rich Omiten and Luna Crest and Wongra said, "Oh, I have so good idea. I have a good idea. I'm gonna change my name to Creamy Cheese Whitey." So, yep, that's why I did this. I did this name. So, sorry for that, my sister. It's disturbing my video. Gonna kill you, man. Not gonna stop a lot. Why? Okay, I suck. My favorite gun. Yeah, it's my favorite gun actually. I'm gonna end the video after. Yep, I died. So thank you guys so much for watching. And see you guys in August. I mean, if I'm at the honor, I think, or after my mom saw my card if it's good or not. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and see you guys. Yep, in card days. So bye.